Hey Mario, looking at your source code, and I'm just going to make some adjustments in it, and we'll go from there. I'll show you what I did. Let me see how I reply. I wanted to get what you were seeing so I could make some changes, but I'll just go off of what I see that looks off a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use red, and use bold, so that you get an idea what I added. So what I would do here is, so you have private blood type O, A, B, and AB. You only need blood type one time. Blood type is going to be accepting multiple values, and these values are O, A, B, and AB. So you're not going to need to declare those there. Let's do this. This is what I would do. I would do private string. You want string, and then blood type. Oh, let's see here. Let me actually. I don't like. Let's see here. I wanted that to be in red. That's a private, and I put blood type. Oops, string, then blood type, and end it there. Because on this screen, you don't want to really worry about declaring the variable per se. So setting the value. So you do private, and then we do string and RH factor. Okay. So the next thing that you would do is you have, let's see here. So write all this stuff down below here. I would remove the 4 lines below here. All right. So now the main constructor. Main constructor looks pretty good. You have blood type, but here is what I would do. You have blood type O, A, B, and AB. So what you need to do is you want to pass the value over. They want to pass the value over. So this is what we want to do here. We want to type in, so we have public blood data, right? We put string, and then you name it whatever you want to. So I'll just call B type, so it's not the same as blood type. And then I do string for RH. Yeah. Oh, that dang guy's moving over. All right. So this is what I do. I do the B type and RH, and let's see here. What else do we want? All right. So let's see here. You have O equals O, and that's not what we want here. So I'm going to wipe this guy out here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say blood type, which is this guy right up here. This is our instant variable. We're going to say equals what? B type right here. Okay. Then, blood type equals B type. Then we're going to have RH factor equals, RH factor is this guy up here. We're going to have it equals this RH guy here. What happens is you have another screen, which is the test blood type, and it passes the variable over. It says, hey, the blood type is O positive, and the RH is blah, blah, blah. What it does is it passes it right here. That's crazy. And it'll say blood type equals B type right here. RH factor equals this right here. So it takes the instant variable, which is a global variable, sets that value, then it allows you to do get functions, call the get, set, and so forth. So that would be good there. Let's see here. All right, so you have public blood data, string blood type. Let's see here. So you have public data type, you have string B type and string RH. Okay, I just did that. All right, so you have public blood type get. So what I would do here, okay, so once again you have get O, get A. You don't have to get all the blood types, you just have to get, remember, blood type is just the main category. So think if you had vehicle, okay? You have vehicle, and I think your project is dealing with vehicle. So you have vehicle. What are different vehicles that you have? you have a Cadillac, or high level, you have Cadillac, you have a GMC, you can have a Ford, you can have a Dodge. Okay, those are high level manufacturer names. So blood type is like a vehicle. A vehicle is those lists of vehicles, and blood type is A, O, B, etc. So that's why I had you just do one versus typing them all in, because those will be the values that you'll potentially pass over. So what I would do here on the get, I would type in, let's see here, get blood type. So I would do get blood type, so that you could get the blood type, return. What I would return here is I wouldn't return O, I would return blood type. So I do blood type, like that. And then, so you're getting a blood type. Let's see what else you want to do here. Let's actually remove these bad boys here. Jeez, my phone is blowing up. Let's see here. Oh, you're not going to see that. So I would, let's see if I can move my screen up a little bit. All right, so I would do, let's see, make it red again. I would do public, see we did, let me see what we're missing here. We have go, okay, so we have get, but we need to set it. So that would probably be before it, but it doesn't matter. So I do public, string, actually public void you want. Let's move this up. So let's put it up here and put, oh Jesus, it's hard to type on an email. All right. So I do public void set blood type. Geez, someone needs to leave me alone. And then just do string B type. All right, so here, let's see. You're doing, what are we doing? Set blood. So now we're going to do blood. We're going to take our instant variable type equals B type. Whatever that value, it equals B type, because that's the parameter and that's the value that's being passed in. All right, so then we have our get blood type, we got our set blood type. Now what else do we need? We need, so now you need to do the same thing. I won't do it, I'll let you do it. Do the same thing here for RH that we did for blood type. So how are you going to have RH? You're going to have a public void set RH string. You could call it RH, and then you're going to have RH equals RH value, whatever. And then you're going to have the same thing you have here. You're going to have a public RH, whatever your value is, RH factor. You're going to have public RH factor, get RH factor, and you have return RH factor. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have questions, just let me know. Let me put in here. Below, I made some changes, and I have included a link to a video of me explaining what I did and why I did it. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Thanks, Jeff.